Hey, yo, faith family, what it do, what it say, what it is. We gon' get it cracking this evening. You know what? Bam. It's snowing outside. I know y'all thought I was finna hit y'all with something. I'm just kidding. I cooked some chicken strips. I got some salad. And I got me some cheese rice and the Hawaiian buns. Y'all see that? It is what it is. I need me a good thumbnail. I don't know if it catch or not. It catch sometime and then it don't. I hope y'all is enjoying y'all evening today. I know y'all be laughing the hell out of me. Y'all know I can't sing. But I'm just feeling so blessed today. Had a good day. Went to Chili's earlier. But I could not record. I was pissed off. Because my phone was not charged up. No, it wasn't. So I could not record. Yes. And I ate good. But this is good too. I got to adjust. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I got me some Louisiana hot sauce. I'm putting on my little chicken strips. Y'all know how I do it, what I do when I do it. It is what it is, and it's going to be what it's going to be. Ooh, Lord. I season these just right today. Just there. And I got some water. Felt like a belt just stuck. I know how to be stuck. Earlier today, it snowed for maybe about 10 minutes. It stopped. It started back. It stopped. It started back. Salad is good. There's just some carrots, lettuce. It's a little salad. With some ranch dressing. Let it snow. Let it snow. Why don't you? I don't know the words. But that song is just stuck in my head. Because that's the last thing I was listening to. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, this is the best time of the year. It's supposed to be the most happiest time of the year. When you out there shopping for your family, you getting everything ready for Christmas. You putting up your Christmas trees, your lights, your figurines. I mean, I see it's a lot of people that's in the Christmas spirit. You're supposed to enjoy your family while you can, while they're here. So many people. But it seems like as you get older, man, you hate getting older because the peoples that you looked up to, they all leaving. They passing away. There's so much stuff happening. You know, if God, he mad, he trying to give us some signs and let us know that I'm pissed off. Earthquakes going on, fires, kids killing their parents, so much doubt. I know he's angry and mad. And what trips me out is a person to kill somebody, take somebody's life. I can't think of what case that was, but I was watching this young Caucasian male. He was babysitting his girlfriend's son. Ended up beating the baby, throwing him against the wall, and killing the baby. And in court, he's sitting up there crying, talking about, you know I loved him. You know I didn't want to do that to him. I said, this something twisted. And then he was crying, and all of a sudden he got real calm. I'm like, And then the two black women, this happened a couple of years ago. One of them fell out in the courtroom. The other one like having convulsions. And it must have been the mom in the courtroom. She hollered. Your daughter done killed your grandbaby. Come on now. I love my kids, but if you kill my grandbaby, it's something wrong with you. I'm scared of you. And that's an innocent, helpless child that cannot defend themselves. To me, if you don't want to be bothered, so many places you could take these kids to and drop them off. So many family members that'll probably take them in. And then these daycares ain't safe. You have to be careful with that too. That's why when you lay down and you're laying down and you're having a good thrill, you have to think about it. It's a possible chance I could pop up pregnant. And if you ain't ready to be a mother or a father, you need to be protecting yourself. That kills me. Like the young man who said that he wasn't ready to be a father. So he took the child's life. What type of shit is that? I told her I wasn't ready. What the hell? I don't understand for nothing in the world. And then you're not strapping on, protecting yourself. And there's so many diseases. And that AIDS and herpes is running rapid. And these young generation don't think about that. Some of these old ones don't either. So much stuff out here. You gotta be careful. See, when you get a certain age, sometimes your shit just dry up. Because you don't even want to be engaging in no sex. Because there's so much stuff out here. And there's so many crazy, excuse my French, but there's so many crazy motherfuckers out here. You gotta be careful who you get with. Shit, he talking all calm and cool. Next thing you know, your ass laying there half dead. Just like that girl met that guy off the internet. She had been talking to a black girl. She had been talking to him back and forth. They ended up finally meeting up with each other. He took her to the hotel and he had beat her, took her car and everything. Almost killed her. Come on now. The devil show up in many ways. He gonna be handsome and good looking, or he gonna be sexy and beautiful. I always say you just have to be careful. I always say you have to be careful who you invite in your life. Because you be inviting the wrong person. And then, I hate to say it, but a lot of women that's my age messing around with these young men that's young in their 20s. And you're in your 40s. And you got daughters that's 20. Who you think they're going to look at? Something that look like you that's younger? Or they going to be into you? That's why you have to stick with your age bracket. Now, some young men is more mature, but I don't know. I couldn't see myself doing that. That's just my opinion. That's something that's waiting to happen. Because you're an older woman. Here it is, this man is young. What do you think he's going to look at? Come on now. Use your head. And women, you got to be careful. Especially when you got kids and you got girls, sometimes you got to worry about the boys too. And you slowly inviting this man into your house to lay up with him. Come on now. And your kids is there. You got to be careful. You just don't know. I have heard of situations where the female, I went to school with a girl. Her auntie ended up screwing her baby father. And then the auntie and her stand in the same building. And the baby daddy is upstairs. What type of shit is that? And he's screwing your auntie. So I say you have to do your research. You got to be careful who you get with. I don't know. I just felt like just talking about that today. I don't know why. That's why I always tell young men, ain't nothing you can do for me. Nothing. I'm old enough to be your mother. No, you ain't. Yes, I am. Get out of my face. So they feel comfortable with doing that because there's so many older women messing with young men. To me, 5 years younger, 5 years older, that's your age bracket. Anything over that, it's not good. You waiting on a mishappening. Sometimes you might find somebody that's more mature in their age, but niggas gotta be careful. These chicken strips is good. Yes, they are. Well, family, I love y'all. Y'all keep my butt still tuned. And I hope y'all having a wonderful evening. Say praise up. Stay safe. Give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can join me as soon as I post. I love y'all. Love, 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 love y'all. Dearly, dearly, dearly. And y'all know y'all be seeing me later.